Holes carved into concrete. This is not a flaw, it's architecture. And it already shows one of the main ideas of the house, not fully separating inside and outside, letting air circulate and adapting the house to a tropical climate. This is the tropical shift house in Malaysia, designed by O2 Design Atelier together with Choo Liang architect. The name itself explains part of the strategy. The house works with shifts. The volumes are not aligned. They move forward, pull back, and create spaces between them. Right above the entrance, one of these shifts stands out, a cantilevered balcony projecting outward. It creates shade over the area below, protects the facade, and at the same time opens the house to the outside. This is important in hot climates because it reduces direct sun and improves indoor comfort. As you enter the house, another thing becomes clear. Ventilation doesn't rely only on the sides. The holes in the roof also play a role. That's where hot air rises and escapes, while cooler air enters from below. The house ventilates itself without relying as much on air conditioning. The organization of the spaces follows the same logic. The environments are not fully enclosed, they connect with each other. This helps air and light move through the house and creates different zones, some more open, others more protected. The form of the house reinforces this. The volumes are separated and slightly shifted. This creates spaces between them, and these spaces work as transition areas, not fully inside, not fully outside. The house also handles rain well. The roofs direct water, and the semi-open spaces allow the house to function even in bad weather. With all this, the house relies less on air conditioning. It solves much of its comfort in a natural way. The materials also adapt the house to the climate. Light-colored surfaces reflect heat, perforated elements allow air to pass through, and open areas prevent heat from being trapped. In the end, the tropical shift house is simple to understand. It uses the climate to its advantage: ventilation, shade, and well-placed openings. And it shows that in a tropical climate, the most important thing is not to close yourself off, but to know how to open in the right way.